Hey everybody, it's me, Richard, with Real Men Craft 2. So, it is Monday, the day after Easter. Hopefully the Easter Bunny came to all of you guys. As you can see, I've got my Reese's Peanut Butter Cup shirt on today. And I am drinking, yes, I'm drinking Peanut Butter Cup coffee. So people always ask me, Richard, is that just a creamer you put in the coffee? No, it's actually Peanut Butter Cup coffee, you guys, look. Yes, actually Peanut Butter Cup coffee. This coffee is phenomenal. Speaking of phenomenal, I got some bling in the mail. Yeah, in just a second here, I'm gonna pop you guys down this way. And speaking of down this way, if you haven't done so already, and you love to craft, and you love just crocheting, anything, diamond painting, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there, ring that bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. And thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend it with me here doing things we love to do. Yes, creating. Yeah, we love to create. So, I'm gonna switch and change the camera angle here for just a second. I'm gonna pop you guys down here. So, let's get these packages opened. You're gonna see a canvas down below here. I'm at my workspace, and the canvas I'm working on right now is a Diamond Art Club. Too many books, so little time. So, give me a minute. I'm gonna change this camera angle. I'm gonna pop you guys down here. I'm gonna try to zoom in as close to what I'm trying to show you as I can. Normally Bruce he holds my camera and stuff for me when I'm in this weird position, but he's not here. He took the dog for a walk. So let's get to opening this stuff. I think I know what two are, but let's get going. Okay, let's open these and see what we got in here. So this one, I know what this one's gonna be. This one, I think I know what this one is too. Yes, this is exactly what I thought it was. So I'm gonna try this out. Everybody's ranting and oh, wow, these are actually smaller than I thought they were gonna be. This is washi tape. So here's the canvas. It is a big one, it's gorgeous. The dragons, I'm not normally a fantasy person, but you guys, I do have a booktube channel where I do book reviews, so I thought this was perfect. Yeah, this little dragon, well, actually this painting's really big, but it's absolutely gorgeous. The ABs in this dragon are just incredible. Yeah, so, and there's another thing in here. This is the one I'm looking most forward to. So, I got a ceramic knife cutter. So, yeah. Oops. I knew I was gonna drop something here. So, this, normally I would use this to, slice my cellophane here on my canvas. But When I was working on my big trick or treat, the creepy little one, I actually sliced all the way through like a dumbhead. So this is like so sharp. So somebody recommended, they said, Richard, you should really get a ceramic knife, one of those precision slice cutters. They work great. So this thing is actually pretty cool. This little teeny blade right here is actually like a ceramic knife that we use in our kitchens. I know Bruce has a full set, but I have used this. Yes, I used this this morning because I wanted to try it out. This thing is amazing. When you use it, you barely have to put any pressure on the plastic. Yeah, that noise. It goes right through just the cellophane. And yeah, the ceramic tip is, you can run your fingers across it. It's not gonna cut your fingers like a X-Acto knife blade. So I'm really excited about that. Do a search on Google. You can get these for under $9, $8, $9. Yeah, and you want to make sure that you get this brand, the Slice. It's the original one. It gets the best reviews. Now, here's the washi tape. I got 30 rolls. People that use this all the time know what I'm talking about. I don't know if I'm really gonna even use this. I might put it along the edge here where sometimes, you know, if you have your arm resting here, you'll hit that sticky part. But it doesn't really bother me. So somebody actually ordered this for me, a friend, and they sent it to me. And yeah, so, and they bought me the precision cutter, so that was really super nice of them. So yeah, I want to tell thanks to Ashley. So Ashley, thank you so much for doing that. That was very nice of you. So here's my little big boat that you guys, we've all seen so many times. So let's see what's in here. I cannot wait. So you guys that have been doing diamond painting for as long as I have, I've been doing it for a little over 3 years now. This man is phenomenal. So let's open this. I cannot wait to get this. So a lot of us have custom made diamond drill pens. Now, this one here, you can't see it very good in this lighting. Let me see if I can flip this down a little bit. That's better. But this color is absolutely gorgeous. This is all done in blues. It's kind of got a sparkle in it, but this is my favorite. This was done for me in purples, lime, a deep green. I wanted colors that kind of looked like Maleficent, and Jim at Handmade Pens by Jim, he did it. So you guys, let's open this. This is another pen. I wanted one with a 4 bump, and I'm not affiliated with anything that you're seeing today. I'm not affiliated with the coffee. I'm not affiliated with Jim's Handmade Pens. I just like to have, you know, custom pens that are comfortable. So he always sends a really cool note. And let me get my readers on. What did I do with my readers? Yeah, when you're in your 60s, you have to, you know, get some readers. So, hello, thank you so much for buying one of my handcrafted pens. Below is everything you need to know about the tips I use in my pens. These tips I do not make. These tips are interchangeable and sometimes become loose. Depends on where they come from. I wrap a piece of Scotch tape around the insert. Some of my customers have used washi tape too. Yes, I have used washi tape. If you can tell right here, there's washi tape around this one. Yeah, it just keeps it, because they become loose. This is my favorite tip, the 4-placer. I love this tip. So, the tips can be replaced. There is also a video on YouTube, blah, blah, blah. Please message me and I'll send you that link if you need it. And then he always says, thank you, Jim. So this one, I cannot wait to open this. I'm obsessed with lime green. Yes, lime green is my signature color. I love, love, love lime green. Can't tell by my bracelet I made or even in my chainmail bracelets that I have on. Yeah, so let's open this pen. And Jim is great at what he does. He always sends them in these really nice, oh my God. I love this color and I haven't even seen the pen yet. Now I know how, it's so funny because now I know how women, when they buy a new purse, or even men when they buy like a new suit jacket or a new watch or dress shoes. I know, let's open this. Oh my God, it's actually got 4 bumps and it's so, so comfortable. Now, I have this big arthritic bump, arthritis bump right here, and you can see it. So I wanted a 4-bump pen that I could rest between the 3rd and the 4th bump, and this one fits perfect. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now, these pens will run you anywhere between $20 and $45, but each one is handmade and crafted for you to your specifications. So I don't mind spending, that type of money for something that is gonna be comfortable. It's not gonna cause my hand to cramp. This one is actually called, what's the color of this one? This one, well, I'm gonna cover my address up. That's the color. Yeah, so you guys can pause that. Yeah, very cool colors. But Jim is great at what he does. He has tons and tons of different colors of the poured resin pens that he makes. Yeah, let me see if I can focus this. Yeah, this pen is gorgeous. The colors in this pen, and it's so comfortable. So, so comfortable. So yeah, what I wanted to share with you guys before I let you go, I was here in, last week, it was like Tuesday or Wednesday, but I was at my local Costco here in Sacramento, and I saw this car pull into the parking lot, and it just like blinded me in the sun, and I was like, what is that car? So I got out of my car and I was walking up to this car, and this young man was coming to the car, and I said, oh my God, I love your car. I said, do you mind if I take a picture? And he's like, no. He said, I'm so used to this. He said, go ahead. You guys, I'm gonna pop up 2 pictures here, and while I'm telling you about it, I'll put both pictures up. But this car was covered in Swarovski crystals. Yes, it had over 43,000 6mm flat Swarovski crystal AB stones. This car was absolutely gorgeous. Now, a quick little story about this car. So I asked the kid where he got it, and he said, it's really funny. He said two years ago, no, like 3.5 years ago, he said, because it was before COVID. He said his brother works for a race car company in Southern California, and he went and he went to a car auction, and they were putting up a car for auction for women, you know, to raise money for women with breast cancer or women, you know, and this kid had just lost his mother to breast cancer. So he you know, entered the auction, and he won the car. So you guys, I'm gonna pop up the pictures, so enjoy it. This car was gorgeous, and there's a whole story about, you know, how to keep it clean, and I talked to him, but yeah, I just wanted to share these pictures of this gorgeous car with you guys. So yeah, back to the video, but I wanted to share you guys that piece of bling. Yeah, so once again, you guys, thanks for stopping by. I got some really exciting videos coming up. I'm actually gonna do a video about some tips that I completely forgot to tell you guys about last week. A lot of you have been asking me, Richard, I'm really having, I'm really struggling with my drills clinging together, or my drills not lining up in a tray. Now, speaking of trays, yeah, I've got some really cool tips that'll help you guys on that. But I just want to tell you thanks again for stopping by. I'm Richard with Real Men Craft 2. Stay sparkly, stay kind, be nice to other people. It never pays to be a bully. And it never pays to just, you know, have a grumpy day. Yeah, I'm almost 62, and you guys, you've got to be happy. You've got to be nice. When you wake up in the morning, if you're feeling kind of bad, you're sore, just keep your chin up. It does get better. And remember, you guys can always turn to your diamond painting, or you can turn to whatever you're working on at the time. Pick up a great book, listen to a great book. Videos coming up. There's going to be a video on how to use Libby. Yeah, the audiobook service I was talking to you guys about in a couple videos back. I'm going to be talking to you about an old craft that I love to do. So you guys take care. I'm Richard with Real Men Craft 2, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, you guys. Have a sparkly and creative day. Take care. Keep drinking your coffee.